Prisana kwami ebusuku sangena eFedelity. This other morning besithatha imali from Edcon shops. Ngalelo langa kanti sivaye wrong. Mangizojika ngithi ngizo approacha imoto. Bangishaya ngegulf stick la. Ngawo. And in my position ngiphethe i45 lana. It's a firearm yabona. Ne rifle la. Ngawa so. Mangiyo bathatha ngibabonela not immediately ngifuna ukusuku batsho ngesicathulo ngawo yabo ngiphansi A1 yangena la yaphuma nala uthi manje uyezwa kunento enyenele emzimbeni yaphuma fast yabona and manje awuzwa ipain foko ngaleso sikhathi bashaya futhi enye yangena la lo ngiyakhaba ngiphansi abomama bayawa babaleka operation sungale sakasifihle ngedodi but abadubuli usifihle ngedodi lapha khona la ngena ngasebhanka eyakhaba badule for short is for short Samuel kwaqala umhlabathi yabo ngacambalala kancane ngaquleka esincane kwaba nento engivusayo mangivuka ngithi bahamba about 10 meter man mangisukuma ngithi igazi lo lapho abantu babaleka lapha ebhekiwe nabantu bahamba ngento zabelungu mangisukuma ngithi ngidonsele rifle manje ukubhayisa kwethu mabe sisayinela ama rifle siceda ukubala ama bullet sifaka la yini magazine mina bengenzani mangiceda ukuyikhokha rifle ngiyibeka ku semi auto ngingayibeke ku single shot yabo ngithi single semi auto ne auto isemi auto mawupressa kayi1 uphuma boma 3 bullet ungekho aware mawuthi i3 ihamba kanje thatha la ngithi safety pad ngitobetseka i2 yabo ayimanye yabona man uwe1 ngapha mara ngale soko khala abantu ngapha kwesikontiri ngapha uma Krisa nangu wile utete yabona upepe umntana lo maKrisa lo yabona wawa lapha ya ngabona ukuthi ayile ngimoshela isikhathi irifle ngiconcentrate ngako labantu la kumama lo ngibheke ngadonsa i45 yabona ngashaya ngayo okay I need to find out i-briefcase ibheke one naye iwe ngaloya oqala enye naye kodwa ayiwanga ibaleka nge2 men le 3 men le naye iwile becala ukusho ukuhlangana nesituation enjalo nje bayescape ngale bekenyana le yemali. Now here comes the challenge. I'm a culprit one. They sustain injury from behind. Ngiwashaye ngasemuva ngabo.
Yenzeka kuphi liste?
Yenzeke eMossel Bay. So iweekend le yandlula. Ngingene ePaul's Mangcoki uniform yaseSpania. Ukuthi sengivele nasezindabeni lapha security from Fidelity got the shot and wounded and killed nalo mama lo tete omdala. Aya Tuesday abomchuchisi bacala baba ne dialogue ne lawyer. But there's a structure sonke lapha eTV babonisa ukuthi labantu laba bakushiye yiso uqulekile as you said pass out for seconds. Then when you decided because your life was no longer in danger, why didn't you apply the first rule? Take a cover and call for backup. When you are a murderer, they shot you, yes, they shot you. Where? Into Mounto. So umathile jwang kalinto le lemetseng le ba lthuntseng haitu uthunye batho bana ba le 3 including an innocent wa utla jale ba botsa ntle but abatla ka ntwana nyana kada ba raise a voice uchori you made a poor child an orphan. She has no father. Now you took her mara go wabona bamfidisa ntho engwe kore ne gcina sekiluza temper ka ona ka khotho kada gore what were you aiming to achieve chasing 5 people who leave one? There was nothing else to do but no sekotsi. You've managed to survive the bullet scene. Your life was no longer in danger. Ochori, you were shooting reckless. Skadi moving. Ochori, you are not a security now, mercenary or assassin. You are no longer fit to carry firearms. Nga sentence you 25 years for more than Bochum Dortmund. Kodwa ngashaya 5 years, 3 months, 2 weeks and 4 days. That's what bengana choice ukuthi ngenzana. I have to ngibe part of gang yase Cape Town and manje ayiphelele ejele. Impi yabo ilwa ngaphandle nangaphakathi. Mawuphuma ejele amakhehla ama-time man uzahlubone nabashaya street cab nabo babhaliwe boyiswa banamazinyo yabona umdala lo muntu lo shaya street so vele yabona lana it's a drug war sharp nokuphuma bamithe mangiphuma ngihlezi kancane lapho elokishi ngaslice ngoba manje ngiyathula ngiyabheka sengifola under 28 gang members. Ma 28 alwa nama 26 ngaphandle nangaphakathi bakwazana for a pipeline eyidakamizwa. Yabona mina ngapha laba balwa nama G unit nabo bagcoka ama street cap kodwa anama badge abo USA abo ma dollar sign yabona ama G unit ama Americans kusho ukuthi 26 and 27 sile balwa nama 28 and manje ama 28 adume ngento amahora yabona ama leza intwana nyane nama hotmanana yabona kodwa nabo bayabulala but not njengalabo ngoba ngapha ngase 28 ngiyawutshala umthwalo wabafethu wenza wami ngiwa kusho ukuthi sikubulala si13 kodwa bengifa ngiwane ngifela abafethu umthwalo ngijada amabhantiti asePolsmo arana almost Cape Town wangase Drongwen. Drug business ngada so it's a serious thing for abantu every day for that day. Most of my businessmen ngada so asi ukuthi ba grinding ngayo ngebusiness babile grinding ngama taxi ama-taxi akhona afakwe imali into le yama drugs ubuningi ngisho all of them yabona ubuningi mina bengivaya nasekela after ukuthi ngibuye ePaul's ngibacacisela ko small few only listen still uzama ukubabonisa manje intwana zethu akusana malalelana nomdala kunomncane sisisafa siphila kuphela noma ungathula wabheka ilife ichange ngenye indlela yabona abantu abasathembakali well yabona mawusase umutsha vibrant try by all means ukuthi energy yabo bayisebenzise entweni eziright yabona suka ebanganini abaphuma intuthu yabona ngoba mawuthathula bheka no ikase ivolleyball ile idakamiswa yabona abantwana abancane bakhubezekile right now angenzi fokolo yabona ngumuntu usipanela ama-piece job here and there, yabona. Then I write a lot, ngibhala kakhulu. Manje sengiyadineka ngoba ngibona ngelihlo eliyi-one, yabona. And manje ngimele ngile for ama-April for ini lezi zinto azihlangani zonke, kusho ukuthi i-problem after mawuthi ubheka ngapha kumosheka ngapha, yabona. Now ngibhizi kuphela ngokuzibhalela, ngihlalele ejaridini. I believe ukuthi ngumuntu wabantu, yabona, kodwa man of God leyo yona ngiyibonile, yabona, ukuthi uNkulunkulu une-purpose for mina, yabona. Bengifisa ukuthi ngingaba ne-sort of i-center eyami izabe ihluke kulana wonke ama-center, yabona. Mangingaba nenhlanhla ngawina ama-million, ngavula i-hospice, iy'ntwana ezincane lezi babazibiza bo-Father Christmas ngoba bahlala baphethe amaplastiki njalo, yabona. I believe ukuthi ngitshintsha ababhaya, yabona, ngitshintsha ababhaya elokishini. Njengoba ngikutshela kunama-hot money, we were into gangsters and drugs deep. I managed to get through them, yabona. Bazenzela amagadeni, ngazama bababhayela ama-bush cutter ema-auctionini, bazigundela utshani banza. Kusho ukuthi life has changed drastically and fast. Umuntu athi angisafuna ukuzwa nix, ngine-floor machine yami. Uya-check-a diamond every day, uyazi uyochase ama-600 800, akanangani, yabona. I won't give up now up until, yabona, something happen, progressive, right, yabona, because I still have to convince the others, me and my brothers, bana baba, yabona. Yeah, okay. Uhlaphila kamufufuzo waphahla, stop stealing, so akaba stop fela osinanthoka bafanyo edlabe yangibabhada fule asikaba nale reason yalosini. But mina no, I'm grateful ngoba I repented to the Lord. Angithi semen, you have to step aside. Oh, I've learned so much, yabona. I've learned so much. Umuntu wasemhlabeni ungabo umthembu, yabona. Uthemba uJehova uyoza kuguidela to the right direction. Ungafuni ukujustify into e-wrong uyibona ukuthi i-wrong, yabona. Apologize uma wenza i-mistake.